Good morning. Today I will be discussing about data science toolkit. Before data wrangling and manipulation, you know the environment for that technique, how to do wrangling and manipulation of data. Therefore, you know the softwares which are used for data science. 25 million users worldwide. The open source individual edition, that is Anaconda. Open source individual edition is the easiest way to perform Python or R data science and machine learning on a single machine. Name is Anaconda individual edition. This software is used for data science with R or Python. It is developed for solo practitioners. It is the toolkit that equips to work with thousands of open source packages and libraries. See this site, anaconda.com products individual and in download for Windows, Python 3.9. It is open source, is the world's most popular Python distribution platform with over 25 million users worldwide. You can trust in long-term commitment to supporting the Anaconda open source ecosystem, the platform of choice for Python data science. Conda packages. It is a cloud-based repository to find and install over 7,500 data science and machine learning packages. With that software, 7,500 data science packages are there, machine learning packages are available. With the Conda install command, you can start using thousands of open source Conda, R, Python and many other packages. You can install any package using this command, Conda install. And this individual edition is an open source flexible solution that provides the utilities to build, distribute, install, update and manage software in a cross-platform manner. Conda makes it easy to manage multiple data environments that can be maintained and run separately without interference from each other. It manages environments, various packages are available and you can manage that easily. Build machine learning models also. These are the Python packages: Jupyter, SkyPy, Spider, NumPy, Scikit-learn, Dask, Numba, Pandas, Panel, Matplotlib, PyTorch, Conda, TensorFlow. These are the machine learning models. These are the packages which are used for to build machine learning models. Another way is there to execute all the Python programs, or go for Google Colab. Google Colab. You can use this Google Colab. Colab Research google.com. This is the address. See, this screen is open. Examples, recent, Google Drive, GitHub, upload. These are the storages. Upload means you can upload your file from the system, your current system. GitHub, if your account is there, you can store files into GitHub, retry or store into GitHub. Recent examples, Google Drive, you can store Google Drive also. See, new notebook. First you have to open new notebook. Give the name for your file .ipynb. This is the Python file, and using this, first you have to do connect. You can write here Python code. Welcome. Suppose I want to execute that. Execute this. It will give the output. Like that you can run any number of lines. These are the cells. If you want to do exploratory data analysis, then upload your files here. Files. These are the different folders. You can upload new file, new folder, and copy path for the analysis. Now see, this is the Anaconda navigator. After installation, it will show all these: Jupyter Lab, Jupyter, Spider, different package tools are available: PyCharm, Professional, RStudio, VS Code. If you want to work with VS Code, you can use VS Code. Then here you use Jupyter Notebook. It is a local system software. If you install Anaconda Navigator, and if you want to use Google cloud-based services like Colab, then use that. When you upload these files, in Anaconda, if you use launch Jupyter, then go for this new Python 3. It is a interface after launching Jupyter Notebook. See, different restart, run, and all the, suppose you want to run Python program, then you want to clear all the output, then clear output and execute all the cells at a time. Reconnect, restart, shutdown. You can change the kernel, save notebook, clear notebook. Here use save a copy, save and checkpoint, save as, download as, you can download in any format. But in Google Colab, you can open a notebook, upload a notebook, new notebook, save a copy in Drive, save a copy in GitHub Gist, save a copy in GitHub. You can store your copy, data copy files into GitHub directly or Drive. You can use, when you open that file, you can use open notebook. You can use these storages to open file. Like that, you have to do the practicals for Python and Anaconda. Thank you.